And here I have finished my button band, and now I'm ready to bind off. For the bind off, we'll be using Italian bind off technique. When you finish this bind off, you wanna end up on the wrong side. And now when I start to bind off on the right side, see, it should be like this on the right side. So grab your tapestry needle and now now you wanna set up for 2 stitches and then you will bind off. So we have here 1 purl stitch and 1 knit stitch. So to begin, wanna knit, we have 1 purl stitch in the beginning and 1 stitch. First you wanna go to this purl stitch knitwise like so, and then we have here knit stitch on the second. You wanna come purlwise, knitwise, go to this purl stitch knitwise and come to this knit stitch purlwise. And now you wanna go through purlwise into this purl stitch and drop off, slip off, and now you wanna go to this knit stitch knitwise, slip off, and this second knit stitch you wanna go through purlwise. Again, I'll show you that again. This knit stitch, go knitwise and slip off, and here come purlwise and pull the needle. See, and we have here purl stitch, go through purlwise to this purl stitch, and you wanna come to here, insert your tapestry needle in between of this first and second stitch. See, this knit and purl stitch, come through here, and you wanna go to this purl stitch knitwise. See, and we have here knit stitch. You wanna go knitwise and come to this second stitch purlwise, slip off. When you go through this knit stitch, you also slip off and come to this knit stitch purlwise. And we have here purl stitch, go to this purl stitch purlwise, and then from back to front come and go to this purl stitch knitwise. And we have here this knit stitch, go to this knit stitch knitwise and come to this knit stitch purlwise. And here we have purl stitch, go to this purl stitch purlwise and slip off, and we then have another purl stitch here, so you're gonna go into this here, go here and pick up 1 stitch here in the back and pull the needle through. See, we have 1 stitch knit stitch go through knitwise and come to this stitch here. See, knitwise and insert this tapestry needle into this stitch and pull the yarn. So we have done with this bind off as well, and now you're gonna weave in the ends. We have little bit this here. I'm gonna fix this. And here I have weaved in this yarn, and now it looks like this. See?